This is my tutorial on my Ducky bathtub. I've sculpted a duck live recently on my Easter basket tutorial on Facebook, so if you want to see it there, you can do that. I got this little tub at Michael's and I'm going to fill it up with some scrap styrofoam and then put some air dry clay around it. So here's the duck that I sculpted and I have it on some toothpicks. I'm just placing it in the water. Then I'm going to start playing with the baubles here until I figure out what kind of direction I want to go in. I decided that I actually wanted to add glitter to the fake water in the tub, so I'm going to pop these out and then I'm going to add some Mod Podge and some glitter. I have a couple sizes of baubles, and then I also have these beads. You can find these beads in my shop, glamcandyboutique.etsy.com. I also have them in blue, pink, yellow, and purple. So I'm just going to start playing around with the baubles and the beads until I'm happy, and then I'll start hot gluing them down. Now on the little beads, there is a little hole that I'm covering with some air dry clay. And I'm just adding this little daisy to the duck's head. It's in the little bead box that I'm showing you here. I just thought it kind of looked like soap. It just seemed to go. It looks cute. Now I'm taking some lightweight spackle that I mixed with paint that's about the same color as the clay, and I'm just gonna pipe that in kind of little bubbly waves around the duck. I didn't want to waste a whole frosting bag, so I'm just using a Ziploc bag. And then I'm just adding some more of the same glitter. So now I'm also incorporating in my no-hole pearl beads, which I sell on my shop, glamcandyboutique.etsy.com. I have them in many different colors and they come in mixed sizes. And it's a really great thing to have in your toolkit just because you don't have to worry about turning them because they don't have any holes in them. They're great for crafts. A lot of people also use them for clothes, like fashion and stuff. But I wanted to kind of build up the pearls on the left since there's so many on the right. There's so many fake bubbles on the right. I just wanted to kind of balance it out. And I thought it would be fun to drape the bubbles over the side of the tub. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I will also incorporate some more white pearls on the right just to balance out the whole project. And with these few finishing touches, I think that the bathtub ducky is done. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think it came out so cute. I love the pop of blue water that you can see and then all of the bubbles. It's just so fun. I will have the materials listed in the description. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to follow for more.